Hey everybody, welcome back to another ArcGIS Pro tutorial. Today I'm going to show you another tool. I've done a lot of these so far on important tools that you need to have in your GIS toolkit. And today I want to talk about the erase tool. So let's see, what I have here on the map, I have a shapefile here of the state of Utah, and I have some buffer areas. These buffer areas were created in a previous video where I said that I want to move to the Salt Lake City area, but I need to live within 5 miles of a Jersey Mike's sublocation. That's this dark blue here. Let's turn this off. That's this area. I need to live in this area. Now, to demonstrate the erase tool, let's say that I don't want to live within 5 miles of a Jersey Mike's because I hate Jersey Mike's. I'll only eat a Subway sub. So instead of having this whole Utah layer and these buffers, I just want to have a layer here that is only the area that's outside of that 5 miles. For that, I would use the erase tool. To use that, we go to analysis and we click on tools and we simply type in erase and the erase tool will show up. So our input features here, and we have erase features here. The erase features is what's going to be erased from the input features. And since we want to erase from Utah, we're going to say that Utah is our input feature. And our erase features is going to be that buffer. That's going to be our eraser. And we simply click run. It's going to run for just a moment. And if we turn off Utah and turn off buffers, now we have this little outline of Utah, but it's only the areas that are not within 5 miles of a Jersey Mike's. So that's how the erase tool works. Very, short and sweet, really. Input features, that's what needs to be erased. Erase features are what you want to use as your eraser. All right, I hope you found that video useful. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or just didn't find it to be unhelpful, a like on the video and a subscribe really goes a long way. It's a free way to support the channel. Thanks.